I've been looking for a way to elevate my morning ritual, and I think I just found it. This Yoyomax 4-in-1 electric milk frother, and honestly, it's been a total game changer for my coffee routine, both at home and, believe it or not, for my upcoming camping trips. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the sturdy build. It doesn't feel like a flimsy kitchen gadget. It has a nice weight to it and a sleek profile. It features a 350 milliliter capacity, which is plenty for a large latte or a couple of cappuccinos. What really surprised me was the simplicity. It's incredibly easy to use. One-touch buttons toggle between warm foam, cold foam, heating, or even making rich, hot chocolate. I'll be honest, I was skeptical about how thick the foam would actually be, but I was pleasantly surprised. The warm, dense foam setting creates a texture that rivals any high-end coffee shop. Since the motor is whisper quiet and automatic, I can prep my coffee or espresso while the Yoyomax handles the milk. No more standing there with a handheld wand hoping for the best. What I'm most excited about is its versatility. It's compact enough that I'm definitely packing this for our next camping trip. Having cafe quality macchiato or a hot chocolate by the campfire sounds like the ultimate luxury. It's rare to find a tool that feels professional, but is portable and durable enough to travel with. If you're looking to upgrade your coffee experience without the massive espresso machine, the Yoyomax is a fantastic investment. It's easy, it's tough, and it works flawlessly.